Let's take a look at the exterior lighting on the 2020 Tacoma. Well, good afternoon everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to take a look, I'm going to show you guys the exterior lighting on the 2020 Tacoma because frankly, it's awesome. A heck of an improvement over what we had before. Now, I'm going to grab the sticker, tell you guys exactly what it says as to what the truck came with, and then I'm going to show you what the lights look like outside on the Tacoma, the 2020 Tacoma. Okay, got the sticker here, and this is part of a package. So you have to get the package to get the LEDs, I guess. What it is, LED headlights with LED daytime running lights and black bezel LED fog lights. So we've got LEDs all across the front, plus an LED light bar that I've added myself. Now, I also changed out the turn signal indicators, you know, the flashers, to the Mezzo custom version so I could smoke those out. That makes those LED as well. So we're LED all around the truck except for one spot, and that's the rear where we're kind of let down. But I do have something coming for that. We're going to be changing those to LEDs. But let me show you right here, and I'm just going to give you a picture because frankly, it's not very exciting. All right, let's move on to the good part. First of all, we're going to go ahead, crank the headlights on, and I'm going to show you guys what the front lights look like. You might want to put some sunglasses on for this because it's kind of bright. Okay, first of all, you can see right there, we've got the daytime running lights on. And then if you look over here on the corners, you can see the amber lights right there. Not a big fan of the ambers, but you can see they do have a surround little area on them. We'll show you the turn signals here in a minute. But of course, the LED surrounds here. And then even down here in the corner down below. So let's pop on the next setting. That's just the running lights. Now we'll go headlights. There you go. Look at those puppies. Nice bright LED lights on the front there, and they are awesome. Next up, we need to hit the fog lights. There you go. You can see the fog lights on the front. They are LEDs as well. Let me turn all that stuff off, and I'm going to show you the light bar I have on there, and then we'll pop it all on. Okay, before I do that, let me show you these black bezels that the sticker mentioned that we have as part of this package. And by the way, the cost on this package is $485. So if you're looking to add this, if you're looking to buy a 2020, $485. So here are the black bezels. You guys can see here. That, of course, is the area right around the fog light here. Not really rocket science there, right? Now, let's go ahead and hit the LED light bar I have on. Now, I'm going to use the switch that I have. This is controlled by the Bluetooth or remote, what do they call it? The Trigger 4 Plus wireless control system. There you go. So, all I have to do is hit a button. This thing just comes off, and here we go. There, you can see that. This is where you may have needed your sunglasses. I can almost feel the heat radiating off of that thing. It's amazing. So we'll flip it off. And now I'm going to go ahead, turn all the front lights on, show you what the whole front end of my truck looks like with that LED bar all lit up. Let's do that. All right, there's just the stock lights, if you will. Now, let's hit that LED bar. Check that out. That's what the front of my truck looks like. Man, you can feel the heat up here. It's hot out here anyway, but that's what the front of my truck looks like with the LED light bar on and all of the front lights. One more thing, I'll show you what the high beams look like. There you go. There are the high beams. You may notice, of course, the fog lights, when you trip the high beams, they go off. I think there is a mod out there where you can actually set it or fix it so that they're all on, but mine is not modded in that way. Let's turn the light bar on again real quick with the front high beams on. There you go. There's the full lighting capacity of my truck with the brights and the LED light bar on. Next up, let's show you the turn signals in the 4 ways. All right, there's your 4-way blinkers. You can see the mirrors flashing as well as the sequential lights for the turn signals, at least here in the front. Pretty darn cool. That's awesome. This is actually the first time I've seen the 4 ways on. I don't typically drive around with my 4-way blinkers on, but that's what it looks like in the front. It's pretty awesome. Now, let's check out the turn signals. Okay, there are the driver's side turn signals, I guess. We have the sequential here in the front on the corner, and then we have the Meso Customs in the mirror flashing there. Pretty cool. Again, I love the way the sequential lights work on this truck. It's just awesome. Let's take a look at the passenger side. There you go. There is the passenger side on. Again, pretty cool. Love the way that they work. And even the Meso Customs are in sync with the front lights. They're flashing at the same time, in other words. I was kind of wondering about myself as to whether or not they would be synced up, but they are, so I'm happy about that. Pretty cool look on the front of the truck, I think. Okay, that's just a quick trip around the lights on the front of the truck. They do stay on for a couple of minutes after I actually turn the truck off, so we'll see those lights hopefully here in a second dim off. Pretty cool. I love the lighting set up on the front of the truck. I don't know why Toyota didn't go the extra mile and actually go with LEDs in the back. Doesn't make a lot of sense to me, but as I said, I'm going to be remedying that pretty soon myself. There, the lights went off. So you can see what it looks like with no lighting on it. Anyway, I don't know why Toyota didn't go with LEDs in the rear. Doesn't make a lot of sense to me. We've got the standard old HIDs or incandescent or whatever you want to call them. But I do have something coming. We are going to have LEDs in the back. Honestly, the only problem with what I have coming, which I'm aware of, is that the reverse lights will not be LEDs. They'll be the regular HIDs, I guess. But that's not such a big deal. As long as it lights up the rear, I guess I'll be okay. Anyway, just kind of wanted to show you guys what the truck looks like. I haven't done a video like this before. And I gotta say, it's just too cool. Just even adds more to the aura of the 2020 version. Anyway, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think of the setup. Do you like it? Pretty cool? Or, light's a light. Also, if you wouldn't mind and you're interested, check out my other channel. It's all about my 2020 Jeep Gladiator up there. That channel is RobMotion JT. Also, don't forget to click that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. And if you wouldn't mind, click that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there.